Hello and welcome back to the part 4 of the series. In this video we will briefly look at the official documentation and add some more configuration to the projects. So we are on the Android official documentation page now. The first thing they ask us to add the dependencies for the SDK, and let's open the UPL file, and if we scroll down, as you can see, we have added the line number 93 in the dependency section. The SDK itself is the main requirement, the other things are optional. Let's come down. Now what we want to do is we want to add the configuration for account ID, token, and Google Ad ID to the project as well. We will shortly see how to do this in the Unreal editor, and this we don't need to do in the UPL file. We also need internet and access network state permissions that we have seen previously. This needs to be done in the UPL file. Now let's come down. Now here we can see how to get access to the default instance of the Clevertap SDK. So this we are doing by calling the initialize Clevertap function. And last step is to verify the integration by sending an event. Further, you could say there was a key value pair also, but that is for future videos. Now we want to put this into editor. So what you need to do is I already have my configuration with me. I will copy this and I'll go to Unreal editor, edit, project settings, and what we are looking for is extra parameters. Just type extra in the search tab. If you scroll down, we are looking for something called extra settings for application tag. Similarly, you can add extra values in the activity as well. For this, we need to put in the application tag. I have put the tags in the application, and after saving it, coming back to editor, now let's try to package the project again. You would remember from the last video that we were getting some errors while packaging the project. We tried to fix them in the last video. Let's see if we are getting any more errors. If yes, we will fix them. If not, we will move forward. And yes, so in the CPP file we are getting there's a use of undeclared identifier. Let's go to the CPP file. So we still need to check against null, but the issue is it should be all caps instead of small. So let's go back. Let's go to the CPP file. Let's find out the culprit. Scroll down, and line number 43, instead of small letters we need all caps, null. Let's relaunch the editor. Let's wait for this to load. Might take a couple of seconds. Alright, now let's try to package the project again. Android package project. We've selected the folder, show output log. Let's wait for this to complete. If there are any other errors, we will see at this stage. If not, we will have a ASTC format APK file saved to the location we have set earlier. And the packaging is complete. And there you have it. You have now successfully integrated Clevertap into your Unreal Engine 5 Android project. Keep in mind that this was a basic setup, and you may need to adjust based on your specific needs. In the next video, we will try to verify all of the events that we are pushing to the dashboard, and we will also see the installation process. See you soon.